So children, in the first part we have seen the formula, that is application of formula for compound interest and some example based on it. Now we will start practice set 14.2. On the construction work of a flyover bridge, there were 320 workers initially. The number of workers were increased by 25% every year. Find the number of workers after 2 years. So here what is given? P is given. P is equal to what? Number of workers at the start of works. How many number of workers were there at the starting? That is how many? It is 320. Okay. Then R we know rate of interest in workers, that is 25%. Then N is equal to what? For how many years? 2 years. And A is equal to what? Number of workers after 2 years. That we have to find. So let us use the formula for amount is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Here P is equal to what? How many number of workers are at the start of the work? 320. So 320 into 1 plus R is what? 25% means 25 upon 100. And N is 2. So it is square. So it is equal to 320 into. Now let us do the cross multiplication here in the bracket. 1 into 100 is 100 plus 25 is 125 upon 100. It's square. So 320 is multiplied with 125 upon 100 into 125 upon 100. So what is the answer? 500. So after 2 years, find the number of workers that we have to calculate. So there will be 500 workers after 2 years. In this way we can calculate. Now practice set 14.2. First question is over. Let us start second one. Read the question. Second one from the textbook. A shepherd has 200 sheep. See children, you have to take out the textbook and see, read the question. What is the question? Take out page number 93. So the first line is not seeable over here. It is not seen properly. So see now, but I am reading here. A shepherd has 200 sheep with him. Okay. Find the number of sheep with him after 3 years if the increase in number of sheep is 8% every year. This question you can note down from the textbook. Okay children, have you got the question? 93 page, practice set 14.2, second one. What was the question? A shepherd has 200 sheep with him. Find the number of sheep with him after 3 years if the increase in number of sheep is 8% every year. Now solution. Solution is what? What is given? P is equal to number of sheep at the start, that is 200. R is what? Rate of interest in number of sheep, that is 8%. N is what? Means time period is 3 years. So N is equal to 3 years. So A is equal to what? A is number of sheep after 3 years. So we will calculate A. Now A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. So let us substitute the value for P. P is equal to how many number of sheep are there at the start? 200. Then 1 plus R. R is what? 8%. So 8 upon 100. N is what? 3. So it is cube. Now do the calculation, cross multiplication of these two terms inside the bracket. 1 into 100 is 100. 100 plus 8 is 108 upon 100. So 200 is multiplied with 108 upon 100 and its cube. So open the cube, that is open the bracket. 200 is multiplied with 108 upon 100. Again into multiplied by 108 upon 100. Again multiplied by 108 upon 100. So in this way, calculate this part. Do the calculation, what we get? 251.94. So after decimal point there is 9. So we cannot write the number of sheep in decimal point. So what we will write? 252 sheep. Okay. So number of sheep after 3 years will be what? 252. Got it children? Now let us take the third example from the same practice set. In a forest there are 40,000 trees. Find the expected number of trees after 3 years. If the objective is to increase the number at the rate 5% per year. So what is P? Number of trees initially, that is 40,000. our rate of interest is what? 5% per annum, that is PCPA. And N is what? 3 year. After 3 year it is given in the question, so N is 3 years. So find the expected number of trees means here A is equal to number of trees after 3 years. So let us calculate A. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N, which will be, let us substitute the value for P, R and N. So 40,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 3. So 40,000 is multiplied with, again do the cross multiplication, 100 ones are 100 plus 5, 105 upon 100, its cube. It is equal to 40,000 into 105 upon 100, again into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. So after the calculation, what we get? 46,305 trees. So number of trees after 3 years will be what? 46,305. In this way, third question is over. Now let us start the fourth question. The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000. If the rate of depreciation is 10% per year, find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. So let us start the solution. P is equal to what? Cost price of machine. So earlier cost price of machine is what? 2,50,000. R means rate of depreciation, that is 10% per annum, and N is what? 2 years. Now here, as the price of the machine decreases, R will be taken as negative. That is, if R is 10 PCPA, what we will take? R as minus 10. So A is equal to what? Depreciation in price of machine after 2 years, that we have to calculate. Then what is the formula for amount? A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. So substitute the value for P. P is cost price of machine, 2,50,000 into 1 plus R. R is what? Now R here we have taken minus 10 because price decreases. So minus 10 upon 100, and N is 2. So the power is 2. Now 1 plus minus 10 upon 100. So 100 ones are 100, and here plus into minus is minus. So 100 minus 10 will be what? 90 upon 100, and its square. So 2,50,000 is multiplied with 90 upon 100. Again it is multiplied with 90 upon 100 2 times because the square is given. So what is the answer? 2,02,500. This will be the amount. Okay. Then decrease in price. How much decrease in price is there? That is the principal. That is P minus A is the formula, decrease in the price. So P means the original price of the machine, that is 2,50,000, and A means just now we have calculated A as 2,02,500. So after doing subtraction, what we get? 47,500 rupees. This is the decrease in price. So what will be the price after 2 years now? Price of the machine will reduced by rupees 47,500 in 2 years. Okay. So in this way we have done 4 questions of the same exercise. Now we will do the 5th question. Find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal after 2 years is rupees 4,036.80 at the rate of 16 PCPA. What is given here? Amount is given as 4,036 rupees 0.80. R is given as 16 PCPA. N is given as 2 years. And we have to calculate here compound interest. Before calculating compound interest, what we have to find? Amount. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. So let us substitute the value for amount. Amount A is given as 4,036 rupees 0.80. It is equal to P. P is not given. So P into 1 plus R is given as 16 upon 100, and N is given as 2. So do the cross multiplication of the bracket. 1 into 100 is 100 plus 16. 116 upon 100. So P into 116 upon 100, its square. So it is equal to what? This step we will do here. 4,036.80. It will be equal to P into this 116 upon 100, writing 2 times. So multiplied 2 times. 116 upon 100. Again it is multiplied with 116 upon 100. So from this part what we get? P is equal to what? This 4036.80 is multiplied with 100 into 100 divided by 116 into 116 in this way. So what we know get then, it is after calculation we get P is equal to rupees 3000. So compound interest is equal, CI is equal to what? A minus P. A is what? A we have as 4036.80 minus this P is given as 3000.00. Now do the subtraction, we get compound interest is equal to 1036 rupees 0.80. So compound interest CI is equal to what? Rupees 1036 rupees 0.80. So 14.2 exercise, that is practice set 14.2. Here we have finished all the 5 sums of same exercise. And children, from page number 93 you will cross all the sums after the 5th sum. After these 5th sums, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, these all sums you will make a cross over there, because these 5 sums are cancelled from your syllabus. Okay, which sum? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so cancel it. And here we have finished the practice set. In the next part we will see the miscellaneous exercise. Okay, thank you.